Philippines!
Good morning, guys! So, ngayon, guys, 10 something o'clock na in the morning. Galing ako sa labas. And then, kahapon, diba, gusto ni Taming tatawag ako ng mga kung saan yung magpanotaryo. So, tumawag ako, nag-leave ako ng voicemail kasi kailangan appointment. Tumawag. Ngayon lang sila tumawag. Kahapon ako tumawag, hindi bumalik. So, ngayon lang sila bumalik ng tawag. Nagre-ready na si Tami para alis kami. So, malapit lang dito sa anon kasi dito lang talaga na area. Magpanotaryo tayo. Pagkatapos niyan, punta kaming Home Depot. Bibili kami ng bricks. Yung nilagay ko sa ilalim ng kahoy para maano na yung kahoy. Para malagyan, ma-additional natin ng mulch. Roxy. Hindi, garo tayo. Naglilinis. You stay over there. You stay. Si Hobbs, Dimples. You guys cannot come up here. I know you're afraid. Tignan nyo na. Sila na lahat. Kayo na. Na, patay. Kayo ng lahat. Ang tatlo. Si Misty and Donut. Why are you guys afraid of Inday? Inday is fine. Tignan nyo. Takot. Gusto nilang pumunta dito. Hi, Misty! Takot! Si Habs, alam niya kung saan siya. Oh. Habs, you're illegal. Bawal si... Go, keep going up. Go up. Come here, Misty. Come up. Come up. Come here, baby. Misty, come. Come here, Misty. Come here. Let's go. Come. I'm looking at you. What are you doing? What are you doing? You're releasing your anger. Are you releasing your anger? Are you mad? 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 Ay, ganyan yan siya, guys, kapag nasa taas. Mas parang nag-release siya ba ng ano niya, yung stress sa buhay. Ano lang, hindi na ako mag-foundation kasi I think mamaya ano lang ako sa labas. Alam nyo, guys, si Inday Garotay, guys, mas maganda pala talaga everyday siya palilinisin kasi ang dami niyang nakukuhang buhok, as in, grabe. Hindi lang buhok, yung dumi sa floor nakukuha talaga niya. So, every time na mag-ano yan, matapos yan, kukunin ko yung mga nakuha niya. Ang dami talaga. Ang pinaka malala na mag-ano ng buhok ngayon kasi pa summer na, yun silang lahat. Pero mostly talaga, itong si Roxy kasi mataas ng buhok. And then yung pusa. Ah, wow! What? 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 Why are you crying? Oh my God, what's up? What? He really is a crybaby, guys. I cannot handle his cryness. What? Mga wild kayo? Sorry, Damps. Damps. Sorry, you cannot go up there, baby. It's still early. Hi, guys. Ito yung bill ko, look. Kasi nakukuha na ito, shiny. So, kinukuha ko na lang siya kasi para hindi patsi-patsi tignan. Sabi pa ni Tami, bili ka ng ng belt. Kasi tignan mo yung belt mo. Sabi ko, bakit naman ako bibili? Magagamit ko pa man ito. Look, oh, konti na lang. Look. Sabi pa niya, matagal na to, guys, sa Cebu ko nabili, Davao. Ayun, no? So, yun, sabi pa niya, bili ka ng bago. So, ngayon, hindi ako bibili ng bago, magagamit pa siya. Ganito yung hirap ng buhay, guys. Pati belt, hindi tayo makabili. Unahin natin yung halaman at saka bato, at saka lupa. Unahin yung bato at saka lupa. Si Habs muna pakainin bago belt. Diba, boy? Sabi pa ni Tami, grabe ka naman. I-ano muna yung belt, itapon. Itapon na daw. Ayaw ko pang magtapon, Magagamit pa man yan, oh. Oh, malakas pa yan, oh. Okay, I'll drive, huh? You have all the papers? Ha? Your mask. Alis na kami kasi I don't know kung anong oras na. It's all is it 12 na? You have a lot of pen in our house, so.
I should have a couple right here.
Do you want me to go inside?
Yeah.
Here, hopefully this still work.
Okay. No, there's two here.
Huh?
Oh, I must take them out of my car and put them in here.
Oh.
I use your car.
And you don't know where to put it? Let me do it.
I got it. Just gonna look.
Okay, dito na kami guys. Same thing na yung pinuntahan namin na library na dito sa lugar namin sa syudad. Mask is still required. Okay, it's right here.
Yeah.
It tells you sign.
Yeah, but this is the wrong paper.
Ah.
That's the one we printed. Okay.
Okay, honey.
I'm done.
Ah, you're going na. Your phone. Tinitignan ko lang yung mga yung mga ID ko guys, kung saan naka-address. Yung address ko ng sa ibang ID is doon pa sa ano, doon pa sa isang bahay. So, gusto kong malaman yung social security ko, yung driver's license ko kailangan i-change. I think yung social security din. So, yun. Kailangan naming mag-change guys kapag may makabili na sa bahay na yun. So hindi na kapag may something mangyari and then sabihin na, oy, sa 98 sa ano ito, sa New Rochelle ito na.
And that was it.
That's it?
That's it.
Free?
Yeah.
Did you sign the right thing? Baka you signed the back.
That's it.
Now you touch me. Now I have to do my thing. Smoke. You smoke. You smoke. So,
Now you gotta make a left if you want to go to Hannaford's.
that's the one. Huh?
Why?
You don't wear that.
Just sleeping.
Look, I got 3 of this. Ito yung presyo niya, guys. So, ngayon, yan yung original.
Yeah, this one with the eagle.
Ito na lang siya. Look.
This one with the eagle. Well, they may have it in black.
Huh?
They may be in black too.
What is that one you're holding?
USA, 1776.
Okay. Nakabili ako, guys, ng kalo, guys. Yan. 3 kalo.
The winner determined by the most votes will be announced live at our virtual Celebration of Service Awards June 8, 2021.
Ipadala ko to sa Pinas. Additional sa box. Let me see how large is that. It's extra. Let me see. Yeah, that's good size. Ito, copper, at saka 5 kay Tami yan, oh. At back scratcher. And then yung itim na ano. Pumunta lang si Tami dyan, guys, kasi ano, may hinahanap siyang jeans. So, yung jeans na gustong-gusto niya, ang mahal pa naman ng jeans na yung $60. Pero sana isa lang yung kikunin niya. Palabas siya, guys. So, tignan natin kung asan yan papunta. Look. Anong ginagawa niya doon? Anyari? VG's here. Look, doon siya, oh. Ano kayang ginagawa nito, oh? Anong ginagawa niya doon? Ano kayang gusto niya doon? Look, naghanap na yan ba? Hindi niya ako makikita. Look, naghanap yan, oh. Naghanap. No, come here. Wow, that's really sad because you really liked it.
They were 40, not 60. I knew they weren't 60.
Okay, wash your hands.
Motor.
Huh? The motor is running. Are you?
I don't even hear it.
Are you really deep now?
I don't hear it. Do you hear it?
That smells. That looks the same though.
It's too thin to roll.
This is it. What's the name of it?
Cracked pepper turkey.
Oh my god, that's a nice car.
So this is the right one? Okay.
You don't like it?
No, I saw it there, so I figured I'd try it. 'Cause, you know, I never get to see it. I knew this is where we got it originally. And you said, no, it wasn't here.
This is it.
But nobody has it.
Yung kinain ko kanina sa sasakyan, kung mahilig kayo sa cold cuts, cracked pepper, what? Cracked pepper turkey. Oh my God! Punta kayo sa daily, sabihin ninyo kung meron ba kayong cracked pepper turkey. Oh, sarap guys. Kung mahilig kayo sa paminta, ang sarap talaga. Ito na yung dinner namin guys. Lutuin ko to, chicken thighs. Oh, not thighs. Chicken legs. You know, legs with thighs. How do you call that? They called it quarters. Quarters. So, ang gagawin ko lang sa chicken na ito, hugasan. And then, ikakat siya, hiwain. Ito guys, 'di ba? Ang daming fats na nakukuha ko, loko. So, kinukuha ko talaga yung mga fats. This is the chicken result. No more fats. There is still some fats, but you know, look, it's cleaner. Hiniwa ko, I cut that the flavor get in, soaked in, and look, this is what I do. Ito yung ginagawa ko sa chicken. And then, ipakita ko sa inyo mamaya kung paano ko siya i-marinate and then lutuin. Garlic, granulated garlic, onion, soy, konting oil, lime guys, pinaka-key talaga sa lahat. Pinaka-key, kibot. The problem is I cannot squeeze it.
Yesterday there was sun and there was rain, beauty in the mundane. And as the light startled our eyes, we let go of disguise.
guys! So, luto na tayo. Ito yung cast iron yung gamitin natin pagluluto kasi mas maganda talaga. Nilagyan ko na siya ng butter. Yun guys, nilagyan ko lang siya ng garlic para mabango ba. Ayan, yung buong garlic, pinunan ko lang siya ng panit.
Oh, that we cooked on the grill.
Huh?
This we cooked on the grill.
No, I will do this and then break.
We already got the pan on it. Let's grill out.
Yes, honey. So, ito na siya guys, yung chicken. Ibibake lang natin siya ng 400 degree and 400 degree and then 1 hour para talagang lutong-luto siya. So, yun. So, yun. 1 hour lang dyan sa oven. Ay, sarap. Sarap yun i-ano sa suka na sili na sobrang maanghang guys. Kainin mo yung ganyan. Nasa sili. Sarap. Hi guys, so itong cucumber natin pala guys, ang sarap. Pero sabi ko kay Tami, pwedeng lagyan ng ng sili. Kasi gusto ko talaga yung cucumber na ganito salad. Hopefully my husband won't cry with this. It makes me remind of kinilaw guys. Oh my god. Yung kinilaw ba? Tommy know the kinilaw guys and he likes it. Honestly, I can't believe that he likes the kinilaw. Kain na po kami. Kain na po kami. And nagsoda ako. And tubig. Soda and tubig yung iinumin natin ngayon. So, ginger ale. Ginger ale. And it's so good that it's spicy sauce and Tommy really doesn't like to dip the vinegar, guys. Hindi ako masuda, guys. I don't really drink soda. But sometimes, like, I have that eagerness of, like, soda. Like, it's once in the blue moon, right? We don't drink soda, but we have a lot of soda.
To have people come over.
Para sa mga bisita. And Tommy is watching Ghostbuster Part 2. Hi guys. Tapos na kaming kumain, 'di ba? So lutuin ko na lang itong para hindi masira, 'di ba? Itong swordfish pala ito, guys. So lutuin natin para hindi siya masira. Ito na siya, guys. Inad ko din siya ng yung paprika and then itong Old Bay seasoning. You're still here, Rock? Ayan siya. So, ito na yung fish. Look. Look, ito siya. Look. And, lang ako, guys. Ilagay ko lang siya sa container or a bag. Leave it for a while. Masarap talaga yung isda pag i-grill. Pero parang kailangan ko siyang lutuin ulit kapag kakainin namin ito bukas, guys. Kasi gusto ko pa siyang talagang luto-luto.